Hi everyone, welcome back. We're discussing jobs today, all in the UK and all of which offer visa sponsorship that can help you and your family move to the UK. And almost all of these jobs will help you move in the next few months and start your new life. If you're new, I'm Ashika and I talk about moving across the world to work or study. And with that, let's dive in. The UK has been at the forefront for recruiting talented individuals from across the world. But last year, because of high net migration numbers, the government decided to make an effort to reduce net migration by introducing certain rules, like a higher salary threshold of £38,700 and not allowing family members on some visas. But since then, they've also made certain job roles eligible for sponsorship that weren't already, like canine beauticians like dog groomers, dog walkers, stable hands, kennel assistants, and veterinary and nursing assistants. Also, DJs, fitness instructors, well-being instructors, and also Pilates and yoga teachers and lifestyle coaches and instructors. So it's really important to keep checking to see if the government has added more jobs to the list of jobs that allow for sponsorship, especially if your role doesn't allow for it right now. Because not all roles in the UK are eligible for sponsorship. And if you weren't aware of how to check if your role is eligible or not, it's very simple. Hop over to this page and you'll find a list of all roles. And against these roles, it's very clearly mentioned as to whether the job offers sponsorship to move to the UK or not. Sometimes it's also important to check similar roles because this is the example I usually give. The role of a cook doesn't allow for sponsorship in the UK, but the role of a sous chef does. Now, like with most European countries, the typical roles that are usually demanded in the UK are healthcare roles, tech roles, and in some cases semi-skilled jobs. But funnily enough, in the past few months, the number of tech jobs that are offering sponsorship have dropped, or at least that's what we see from the portals. But despite that, a large number of people are still moving to the UK for tech roles, which means it's not only sufficient to look at these job portals. If you have a skill set that is in demand, it might just be smarter to go to the company's website that you're targeting and look for roles that are relevant right there and apply directly from there. It doesn't always help, but it might just give you that extra leg up over the others. What you also need to do now is spend time networking. If you're not already in the UK, use LinkedIn and think of it as meeting new people at a party. The party is LinkedIn. The attendees are all either managers at organizations that can help you land a job or other possible candidates. If you don't put your case forward to these managers and make a point as to whether they need to hire you, some other candidate will. So you need to learn to hustle. If you see a role that you like, visit the organization's page on LinkedIn, go one level up from there, and that'll typically be the reporting manager for that role. Now get in touch with them, and if you can find out who the recruiting manager is for this position, get in touch with them as well. Send them a note introducing yourself and tell them why they should look at your credentials. If you can, send your CV. Ask for help, because if you don't ask, you're not going to get it. Now the other thing you need to do is gather new skills. Having certifications always helps in two ways. One, it helps your CV get shortlisted because a lot of these words that come as a part of the credentials are actually what the ATS is looking for specifically. Secondly, when a human actually runs through your CV and sees that you've gotten yourself certified, it gives them confidence in your profile and you have a high chance of getting that interview call. It also shows that you're willing to go the extra mile for your role. Now, before we can head on to the job postings, a word of caution. There's no way of verifying which job postings are fake, so you always need to remember that when you're sharing your information and your personal details, don't share your date of birth, for instance, on your CV. Remember to check if the company is legit or not, and please do not pay anybody to get a job in the UK because it's most likely a scam. Now, let's dive into the jobs, and we have two sets of jobs, the healthcare roles and all the other roles, which comprise of the mixed bag, which are basically roles across all industries and sectors. Starting off with healthcare roles. Barchester Healthcare is looking for a registered nurse. They also have another opening for a registered nurse and one for a clinical psychologist, a peripatetic deputy manager and clinical lead. Heart Dental Recruitment is looking for an associate or EU PLVE dentist. They're also looking for an EU dentist or a trainee implants dentist. Damira Dental Studios is looking for an associate dentist. Pain Free Dentistry Group is also looking for an associate dentist. DNA Vet Care is looking for a veterinary surgeon. The Hoxton Vet is also looking for a veterinary surgeon. Merchant City Medical Group is looking for an anesthesiologist. Lloyd & Coven Veterinary Recruitment is looking for a veterinary surgeon. Veteris is looking for a clinical director or veterinary surgeon. Caring People is looking for an associate dentist. The NHS is looking for a senior physiotherapist. And they're also looking for a specialist major trauma dietitian. Now, moving on to the mixed bag. An anonymous company is looking for an early childhood teacher. Ernest Gordon Recruitment is looking for a marketing executive. Mathis Saeed is looking for an office manager. The Bull Inn in Bisham is looking for a restaurant manager. La Pasta is looking for a chef. Skills Provision is looking for a master technician. Ryanair is looking for a B2 licensed engineer and a B1 licensed engineer. Chronospan is looking for an electrical maintenance technician. HR Go Recruitment is looking for a hydraulics engineer. Skills Provision is looking for a vehicle mechanic, an electrical linesman, and a transmission lines worker. Lawson Group is looking for a restaurant general manager. A confidential company is looking for a head chef, modern Thai and Pan-Asian cuisine. Logical Personnel Solutions is looking for a technical sales engineer. And Platform Recruitment is looking for an electronics hardware engineer. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time. And if you have any questions, drop them down below.